Schedule. GG. Banza shut up going against Junal 76%. Or where is that archer? Okay, 76% 2-star from Banza shut up Khasi BAV against Junal. Actually, this is a third place match. The participants wants to arrange the third place match. Actually, it's not in the schedule in the brackets, but they just want to challenge in a third place match. So in this match, they are not following pattern. No one is following pattern, so it's very hard for me to stream. So war events. Nike Malay, he went with his first attack against Mighty Zeus. Let's watch the replay. He secured a 3-star in his first attack, going with witches, P.E.K.K.A and witches, 2 P.E.K.K.As and 10 witches. He secured a 3-star in this attack. This is just a replay, it's not a live attack. It's just a replay because these guys, they didn't follow the attacking pattern provided by the MGC. Oh night divine, oh night divine, oh night divine. Okay, that's Khasi BAV's first attack, 3-star. They have finished 2 attacks and they secured 5 stars. Khasi Barbarian haven't used a single attack yet. We will be seeing the attacks in a moment. Okay, Khasi will be taking down all those cannons, archer tower, and an air defense. Air defense has taken down one healer, and the healer swapped to the barbarian king. Wow, this is going to be a big risk, the attack, because okay, the healers are switching back to the queen because of that barbarian king, because the barbarian king has been going down, so the healers are switching to the queen. So in a moment we will be seeing his hybrid. He will be dropping his hybrid. Junal is looking strong here, clearing that funnel, and he's taking his time with that queen charge. Finally he pops his ability and he's dropping his miners from the bottom side. He's dropping he's dropping all the hogs. Egypt, he's using hogs. Is this going to be a 2-star? Isn't? That multi-inferno is he still have to destroy that multi-inferno at the back end. Okay, he will secure that 2-star, but 3-star I'm not sure. Maybe I'm not even sure if it's a 2-star. This is going to be a 1-star attack. Wow. Oh, 2-star. Come on, miners. I'm going to take that 2-star. Oh, only 1-star. Only 1-star. Oh, let's have a look at this town hall. See, only 2 hits from miners, then it would have been destroyed. Wow. This is going to be a 89% 1-star. 89% 1-star. Wow. Holy night, silent night, all is calm, all is bright, round yonder. Okay, loser number 1 from Khasi Barbarian. OP member from Khasi Barbarian going against Alex 5. Alex number 5. Queen charge, Valkyrie Hawks. Queen charge. I don't know what is this strategy. So let's have a look. Okay, he's taking his time with that Hawks. It's gonna take 10 years to destroy. Kill that hound. Wow. Okay, he's dropping his king on the right side. Clear that funnel for the Valkyries. And the Valkyries are going to charge. No, they are going for that opening. They are not inside the rage. Okay. I don't see this going to be a 2 star. This is going to be a 1 star again. Is this going to be a 1 star again? I didn't want to jinx it, but oh my. Okay, that healer is OP. What healer is OP? If a base, if they have 2 tiles, percent, 88%. Kasi Barbarian. What happened to Kasi Barbarian? Hmm. Kasi Behavior using their third attack. Alex 6 going against Patauban. Patauban using his Pekka Witch attack. Let's see. These guys are going to aim for a 2 star. They are securing a 2 star against Town Hall. This is what the Barbarians already. Top up prospa yuk bisa. Kau lagi orang attack tang sa attack but some attack. How? Boring stream nak nyentak sini. Thật. Internet dah pelan. Okay, thank you everyone for watching the stream. Bye bye, good night, Merry Christmas, everyone. See you again on 26th, day after tomorrow, the final match of MGC Clash Cup. Bye bye, good night, everyone.